Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Sat Show. This is going to be my fourth episode in my Genomic series, and as you guys probably know by now, if you've been watching my videos, Kathy Wood said that the genomic sector is probably going to be 20xing over the next 5 years. So, yeah, I'm doing a series just to cover these stocks in. You probably heard of this company, Genomics, ticker symbol BNGO. It recently ran up from like $1 per share all the way to $7.20 per share. And I wanted to wait to put out this video just to say that, guys, never chase these stocks. Like, you never know when the run up is gonna end. And people who were buying up at $7.20 just got burned and almost lost lost 35% of the money. And I do think that this is gonna continue falling over the next couple of days, just because a lot of the investors were retail investors and it went up because of hype. Hey guys, before continuing with the video, I would like to say I would greatly appreciate it if you guys liked, commented, and subscribed, as it would help support this channel. Guys, please don't interpret this video in the wrong way. I'm not saying this is a good value to buy this stock at right now, even though it's down 35%. I personally don't chase stocks that go up hundreds of percents within 2 weeks, because corrections do happen, and I do want to also put out the fact that I am not invested in this company either. I am just putting this out there to put it on your radar, and it's a company that might have some good potential over the next couple of weeks. So BNGO is a direct competitor to Pacific Biosciences. I'll put a prompt on the top right, and you guys can click on that and watch a video that I did covering Pacific Biosciences. And we know that Pacific Biosciences ran up from $6 per share all the way to $28 per share recently, and that's because of Kathy Wood's bringing to light the genomic sector. And the reason why people are hyped about BNGO recently is because of the Human Genome Structural Variation Consortium, the HGSVC. And they actually put out an article saying that Pacific Biosciences device actually detected only 72% of the large SVs that BNGO's optical genome mapping detected across 32 different human genomes. So there was about 30% of things that Pacific Biosciences couldn't pick up on, and BNGO's machine was able to pick up on those as well. And sequencing with Pacific Biosciences machine is about $10,000 to $20,000 per genome. However, BNGO's is about $500 per genome, and you can see that that's a very large difference in price, and that's why a lot of people are now extremely bullish on Genomics. Another huge news that's actually giving momentum to the stock is an ARK Invest analyst named Simon Barnett actually tweeted at the CEO of BNGO on December 24th saying that they have a lot of questions to ask, and this is a very bullish sign because obviously now it's on ARK Invest's radar as well. And if they do start to pick up shares of this, I'm pretty sure you guys know of the ARK Invest effect. Any company that they pick up just starts to skyrocket, and they tend to pick really good companies. And the last reason why I think that this stock should be on your radar is because the Vanguard Group recently purchased 5.2 million shares of this company, guys. They used to own 300,000 shares of this company approximately, but obviously, they increased their position by a lot and added 5.2 million shares. And they currently own a 3.63% stake in BNGO. And yeah, when institutions are purchasing a large amount of shares of a certain company, it usually is an indicator that the investment is safe, because a lot of thought goes into the institutions buying a company. And once again, guys, I'm not saying that that's a reason why you should buy this stock. However, I do think that it is a good reason why it should be on your radar. And yeah, lastly, I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And yeah, take care.